Start your career and earn money online. Freelance web design. Want to make money online while doing something creative and rewarding? Freelance web design is one of the most in-demand careers today. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to refine your skills, I'll guide you step by step. From mastering essential tools to finding high-paying clients, I'll show you how to build a successful freelance web design career. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start earning online as a web designer. Let's talk about why freelance web design is such a great career choice. First, it's creative and flexible. You can work from anywhere and set your own schedule. Second, it's highly profitable. Did you know that professional web designers can earn up to $75 an hour? Some even make over $100 an hour for advanced coding work. Plus, the demand for skilled web designers is growing. With more businesses going digital, they need professionals to bring their online visions to life. So, if you love combining creativity with technology, this is the perfect career for you. Now let's dive into the essential skills you'll need to succeed. At the core of web design are three key languages. HTML, this structures your website's content. Think of it as the building blocks of your site. CSS, this styles your website, giving it color, font choices, and layout designs. JavaScript, this makes your site interactive, like adding animations or clickable buttons. Visual of design software like Figma and Adobe XD. On top of coding, you'll also need basic graphic design skills. This includes understanding color theory, typography, and layout design. Tools like Figma and Adobe XD can help you create stunning mockups and prototypes for your clients. And don't forget about user experience, UX, design. A good website isn't just pretty, it's user-friendly. UX design ensures that visitors can easily navigate and enjoy the site. Once you've built your skills, it's time to start finding clients. Here are some platforms to get you started. Flippa and Flipper, these are great if you want to create websites, improve them, and sell them for a profit. Upwork and Fiverr, these freelancing sites offer plenty of opportunities for beginners to showcase their skills and get paid. Toptal, if you're experienced, this platform connects you with high-paying clients. Make sure to create a strong profile that highlights your skills and includes examples of your work. Now, let's break down how to start your freelance web design career. Select a niche, focus on a specific industry or type of website, like e-commerce or portfolios. Create a portfolio website. Your portfolio is your best marketing tool. Showcase your best projects to attract clients. Develop a pricing strategy, decide whether you'll charge hourly or per project. Be competitive but value your skills. Find your first client, reach out to local businesses or leverage freelancing platforms like Fiverr to land your first project. Create a proposal and contract, always have a clear agreement in writing to avoid misunderstandings. Develop a project management system, use tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized and deliver projects on time. To truly succeed as a freelance web designer, you'll need to keep growing. Here are a few tips. Build a network, join communities like Dribbble and Behance to connect with other designers and showcase your work. Invest in continuous learning, web design trends change quickly, so stay updated with advanced courses on Udemy or Skillshare. Use the right tools, prototyping tools like Figma and Adobe XD are must-haves, and project management tools like Trello will keep you on track. Freelance web design is a rewarding career that combines creativity, flexibility, and great earning potential. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, the opportunities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning, build your portfolio, and take the first step toward building your dream career today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building a successful freelance career. For details visit the website mentions below in description.